باوفا یا عباس باوفا یا عباس آجا میرے وفادار آجا میرے علمدار آجا میرے وفادار آجا میرے علمدار آجا عباس غازی زینب کی مان آجا آنکھوں گہوں نے بوجھ کی روتے ہوئے حسین نی آنکھوں گہوں نے پوچھ کی روتے ہوئے حسین نی غازی سے یہ کہا تھا ہائے غازی سے یہ کہا تھا بھائی مجھے بلا جا جا عباس غازی زینب کے من آجا آجا عباس غازی زینب کے من آجا خیموں میں آگ بر کی ہے بیمار جل نہ جائی خیموں میں آگ بر کی ہے بیمار جل نہ جائی خیموں میں جو لگی ہے ہائے خیموں میں جو لگی ہے وہ آگ تو بجھا جا جا عباس غازی زینب کے مان آجا آجا عباس غازی
You okay?
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic.
Sorry.
Sayyid Mesum, please.
Shabash, Hassan. I value your confidence. Can you tell me who composed the Nuha?
I think it was my mom and me,
Okay.
to be honest, because I made like the rhythm.
The reason I'm asking that is because I was trying to follow along with the tune. I just couldn't because you kept changing the pitch. Where you started, even the stanza, as you were changing stanzas, you were changing pitch. So it was very hard to follow the tune as well as the tempo. The audience here was trying to do matam to the Nuha, but it kept breaking. I think you have a long way to go. I don't think this is the time right now. I think I would recommend a good vocal coach and work on your pronunciation.
The competition, I think it's really competitive, and also hearing the judges' views and the improvements that I needed to make, I think it's kind of hard.
You have to work on the flexibility of your voice and as well the strength of your voice. Yes, the rhythm, it's very important. You have to have always the rhythm because the audience, they were helping you, but sometimes they didn't know what to do. Thank you very much. Work more, okay? Thank you.
Dr. Sayyid, Ammar.
Well, there's a few things really, and I give these pieces of advice purely because it's going to be in your best interest if you want a career as a Shia voice. And if you want to be a Shia voice, then you're going to have to engage your audience. You're going to have to look them in the eye, and you're going to have piercing eyes at them when you're making a point, where suddenly they feel goosebumps as that point is being made. That's the same with reciting. But you were looking at your phone. And don't get me wrong, it's not easy. At your age, I don't know if I would have pulled through. But at the same time, try and look at us. And try and talk to us. And try and make us feel the Abbas that you profess to be a lover of. And I'm sure you are.
Habibi, Hussein, my advice, and I'm not a person to give advice, but I would say try and be inspired by the person you're reciting about. So your qasida, your know-how was about Abul Fadl Abbas. Anyone, and I'm not an expert, the reciters know when you read about Abul Fadl Abbas, you show more emotion. So maybe try and work on that, and inshallah I wish you all the best in your recitation for the Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam.
I think what they said was enough. Yeah. Work more, work harder, and take their advices. That's it.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Please. Thank you very much.